Okay, here's my my pipe coming out of the wood stove, and it's about 5 degrees out right now, and you can see what happens. It's about 4 feet before I get to this T right here. And then it's pretty warm. It's not really hot, but it's pretty warm right now. But you'll see what happens here. I haven't cleaned it out in a couple of weeks. I've been burning wood, and it's been cold here, so I'm going to take that off and let you see what's inside there. I don't have enough hands, so I'm going to put on my other glove here first, and then we'll put my glove back on, because I got to take my glove off to run my cell phone. But yeah, I'm gonna knock that off there so I get my glove back on. Okay, now, like I say, I am holding the cell phone with one hand and beating on it with the other. So okay, now she's gonna fall off there. You know, that's what's inside those things. You got to dump them out once in a while. But like I say, it's 5 degrees out, but you can see in there's water in there. See the water coming out? That's condensation from kind of like burning green wood and stuff like that. But I'm gonna dump this or whack it on something to try to get the stuff out of there. Yeah, she's kind of frozen there too. And so, well, I'm gonna use my hammer on it, see if I can bust it loose in there a little bit. Oh yeah, she's froze. She's been kind of cold around here. Well, oh yeah, she's full of ice. There. Yeah, she's still full of ice yet. Little bit in there yet. Okay, I got most of it out now. A little bit left in there, but that's all ice froze in there. And then what a guy should do is reach in there and clean some of that out, because that'll be kind of plugged up too. But you can see all the little crap falling out of there. So yeah, you can see all that, it's falling out of there. And I'm gonna try to put her back together right now, because everything went back together. So, but yeah, she's warm, but she ain't hot. Of course, I don't have the stove going full bore in there right now, but that's why she gets full of water and ice and stuff, because I don't. Sometimes it doesn't run real hot, but anyway, that's my stove story. So there you go.